Ketterer Drives is a traditional family-owned company based in Furtwangen in the heart of Germany's Black Forest. Where it all started in 1832, we are still developing and producing today as a global player. Drives from Ketterer are moving customer-specific building components, industrial systems, ergonomic furniture and care solutions all over the world, mechanically or electrically driven. We realize your ideas from development to serial production. Due to our core competences in the spindle, motor and gear technology, we can develop and produce complex drive solutions for you. Ketterer Drives, your partner in drive technology.